Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. VLC Media Player is a free and open source portable cross-platform media player which you can download and install on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see how we can download and install VLC Media Player. So first of all, search for VLC Media Player on your favorite browser. And the first link which will appear here will be from videolan.org/VLC/index.html. So I'm going to click on this link, which is going to open this videolan.org website. And straight away on this landing page, you will be able to see this big download button. So I'm going to click on this download button, and then I'm going to save this executable file, which is VLC whatever version you are downloading, which is 3.0.4 at the time of making this video, -win64.exe file. So I will wait for this download to complete. And once this VLC executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file, and then I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to minimize the browser. Now you will be able to see this installer window, which will ask you to provide the language in which you want to install VLC Media Player. I will leave it as default, which is English, and then click OK. And then you just need to click next, and then you just need to read this license terms and conditions. And if you agree with those license terms and conditions, you can click next. And then these are the tools which will be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. So I will leave everything as default and then click next. And this will be the location where VLC Media Player will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this path, you can just leave it as default and then click install. And after some time, you will be able to see this message which says completing VLC Media Player setup. And you will be able to see this VLC Media Player icon here on your desktop. So you can just leave this checkbox checked, which is going to launch the VLC Media Player once you click on the finish button. So I'm going to just click on finish button, which is going to launch the VLC Media Player. I'm going to just click on this button, and you can see VLC Media Player has been started. Now, in order to just open any file in VLC Media Player, let me open a MP4 file which I have. So I will go to the videos, and then I will select the video file and then click open, which is going to start this file inside your VLC Media Player. So this is how you can download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.